Fundamental concepts of cryptocurrency, helping you understand its potential and how it can shape the future of finance. So, let's get started. Section 1. What is cryptocurrency? Before we delve into the nitty-gritty details, let's begin with the basics. What exactly is cryptocurrency? The rise of digital currency, voiceover. Cryptocurrency is a form of digital currency that uses cryptography for security. It operates on decentralized technology called blockchain, which keeps transactions secure and makes the system resistant to fraud and manipulation. Unlike traditional physical currencies, cryptocurrencies are intangible and exist solely in the virtual realm. Cryptocurrencies are known for their unique features. Here are some key characteristics to keep in mind. 1. Decentralization. Cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any central authority, such as a government or bank. 2. Security. The use of cryptography ensures the security and integrity of transactions. 3. Anonymity. Cryptocurrency transactions can be conducted with a certain level of privacy. 4. Limited supply. Most cryptocurrencies have a maximum supply, making them deflationary by nature. 5. Global accessibility. Cryptocurrencies can be accessed and used by anyone with an internet connection. Section 2. Benefits and use cases, H2. Now that we have a basic understanding of cryptocurrency, let's explore its benefits and practical applications. Financial inclusion. Cryptocurrencies enable financial inclusion by providing access to digital financial services for the unbanked and underbanked populations worldwide. This technology empowers individuals to take control of their finances, regardless of their location or socioeconomic status. Security and transparency. Blockchain technology ensures secure and transparent transactions. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies eliminates the need for intermediaries, reducing the risk of fraud and manipulation. This enhanced security and transparency are particularly valuable for sectors such as supply chain management and voting systems. Fast and low-cost transactions. Cryptocurrency transactions can be completed quickly and at a lower cost compared to traditional banking systems. This is especially beneficial for cross-border transactions, where traditional methods may involve high fees and lengthy processing times. Section 3. Risks and challenges, H2. Like any financial innovation, cryptocurrency adoption comes with its own set of risks and challenges. Let's explore them to ensure a comprehensive understanding. Volatility. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate rapidly, which presents both opportunities and risks for investors. It's important to be aware of this volatility before engaging in cryptocurrency trading or investment. Security concerns. While blockchain technology is secure, individual wallets and exchanges may be vulnerable to security breaches. It's crucial to use trusted platforms and follow proper security practices to minimize the risk of losing your cryptocurrencies. Regulatory uncertainty. Cryptocurrencies operate in a constantly evolving regulatory landscape. The lack of clear regulations in some jurisdictions can create uncertainty and potential legal challenges. Staying informed about the regulatory environment is essential when dealing with cryptocurrencies. Section 4. The future of cryptocurrency. As we wrap up our crash course, let's take a glimpse into the future of cryptocurrency. Mainstream adoption. Cryptocurrencies continue to gain mainstream adoption. Major companies, financial institutions, and governments are increasingly recognizing their potential and developing strategies to incorporate digital currencies into their systems. This growing acceptance is propelling cryptocurrency into the realm of everyday transactions. Technological advancements. Blockchain technology, the foundation of cryptocurrencies, is also advancing rapidly. Innovations such as smart contracts, decentralized finance, DeFi, and scalability solutions are pushing the boundaries of what cryptocurrencies can achieve. The future holds exciting possibilities for this transformative technology. Outro. Congratulations! You've completed our crypto crash course. We hope this crash course has given you a solid understanding of cryptocurrency, from its basic concepts to its potential impact on the financial world. Remember, further exploration and research are key to diving deeper into this fascinating world. Thanks for joining us on this journey, and we'll see you next time.